Welcome back to the Intelligent Programming channel. I am your host, and I am thrilled to embark on this journey with you. In today's video, we have an exciting program lined up for you. We will be taking you through the step-by-step process of developing a powerful calculator using Python. First, let's start by understanding how our calculator works. On the screen, you can see a user-friendly graphical interface. You can enter numbers, select an operation, and instantly get the calculated result. It's designed to be simple and efficient, making complex calculations a breeze. Now, let's dive into the development process of our calculator. We begin by importing the necessary libraries. We import PySimpleGUI to create the graphical user interface, and the math module to handle mathematical operations. Next, we define a function called calculate. This function takes three parameters: the operation, the first number, and the second number. Inside the function, we use conditional statements to handle different operations. Whether it's addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, exponentiation, square root, modulo, floor division, logarithm, factorial, or absolute value, our calculate function handles it all. Moving on, we create the GUI layout using PySimpleGUI. We set up text labels to guide the user, input fields for entering numbers, a drop-down list for selecting the operation, and buttons for performing calculations and quitting the program. It's designed to provide a seamless user experience. Once the layout is defined, we create the GUI window and enter the event loop. The event loop continuously listens for user interactions. When the user clicks the Calculate button, we retrieve the input values for the numbers and the selected operation. We then call the Calculate function, passing in the values, and display the calculated result on the screen. To ensure a smooth exit, we handle the Quit button click or when the user closes the window. Now, let's talk about some possible improvements and enhancements for our calculator. For instance, we could implement error handling to handle invalid inputs gracefully. Additionally, we could consider adding more advanced mathematical functions or even a memory feature to store and recall previous calculations. The possibilities for improvement are endless. Before we wrap up, I'd like to take a moment to thank you all for watching. We appreciate your support and encourage you to visit our website, like this video, and share it with others. Your engagement helps us bring you more exciting programming content. That concludes our journey of developing a powerful calculator. We hope you enjoyed the process and gained valuable insights into building your own programs. Remember, keep exploring the world of programming, and as always, have a happy intelligent programming.